Welcome to this tutorial on Amazon CloudWatch Metrics. In this video, we'll explore how to collect performance data using both built-in and custom metrics. CloudWatch Metrics is a fundamental component of AWS monitoring that helps you understand how your resources and applications are performing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand the difference between built-in and custom metrics and know when to use each type for effective monitoring. CloudWatch metrics are time-ordered data points that represent the performance and health of your AWS resources and applications. Think of metrics as variables you want to monitor, and the data points as the values of those variables over time. Each metric includes a timestamp indicating when the measurement was taken and a numerical value representing the measurement. Metrics help you track resource utilization, monitor application performance, and identify potential issues before they impact your users. These time series data points allow you to visualize trends, set alarms, and make informed decisions about your infrastructure. Built-in metrics are automatically collected by AWS services and published to CloudWatch at no additional charge. These metrics are pre-configured and become available immediately after you create a resource, with standard monitoring intervals already set up. Each AWS service provides metrics that are relevant to its specific resource type. For example, EC2 instances automatically report CPU utilization, while RDS databases report connection counts. The key advantage of built-in metrics is that they require no setup or configuration on your part, making them perfect for getting started with monitoring your AWS infrastructure. CloudWatch organizes metrics using three key components. First, the namespace acts as a container that groups related metrics together. AWS services use predefined namespaces like AWS/EC2 or AWS/RDS. Second, dimensions are name-value pairs that uniquely identify metrics. For example, you might use instance ID equals I-123456 to identify a specific EC2 instance. Third, metric data consists of timestamp and numerical value pairs, such as CPU utilization at 75%. This organizational structure ensures that metrics are properly categorized and easy to query and analyze. Let's look at some common built-in metrics across different AWS services. For EC2 instances, you get metrics like CPU utilization, network in, network out, and disk read bytes. RDS databases provide metrics such as database connections, free storage space, and read latency. Elastic load balancers track request count, target response time, and healthy host count. Lambda functions report invocations, duration, errors, and throttles. These built-in metrics cover the most important performance indicators for each service, giving you immediate visibility into how your resources are operating. Custom metrics are user-defined metrics that you publish to CloudWatch to monitor application-specific data not covered by built-in metrics. While AWS provides comprehensive built-in metrics for infrastructure monitoring, your applications often generate valuable data that needs tracking. Custom metrics allow you to monitor application-level performance, track business metrics, create custom performance indicators, and collect granular data specific to your needs. This flexibility enables you to extend CloudWatch's monitoring capabilities beyond standard AWS resource metrics to include anything meaningful to your business or application. There are several compelling reasons to use custom metrics. First, you can track memory and disk metrics. EC2 built-in metrics don't include memory utilization or disk space usage, so custom metrics fill this gap. Second, you can monitor application-level metrics like user logins, transaction counts, or API response times. Third, custom metrics enable business metric tracking such as revenue, orders processed, or customer signups in real time. Finally, you can measure custom performance indicators like queue depths, cache hit rates, or background job completion times. Essentially, if you need to monitor something specific to your application or business, custom metrics provide the solution. There are four primary methods to publish custom metrics to CloudWatch. First, The PutMetricData API allows you to programmatically send metrics using the AWS SDK or CLI. Second, the CloudWatch Agent can be installed on EC2 instances or on-premises servers to automatically collect system metrics. Third, you can use the StatsD protocol through the CloudWatch Agent for application metrics. Fourth, Embedded Metric Format, or EMF, allows you to embed custom metrics in CloudWatch logs for automatic extraction. Each method has its own use cases, and you can choose the one that best fits your application architecture and requirements. Here's a practical example using the AWS CLI to send a custom metric. The command starts with AWS CloudWatch PutMetricData. You specify the namespace as custom app/performance to organize your metrics. The metric name is page load time, representing what you're measuring. The value is 245, and the unit is milliseconds. Finally, you can add dimensions like environment equals production and region equals US-East-1 to provide additional context. This command sends a single data point to CloudWatch, where it becomes available for graphing, alarming, and analysis. The CloudWatch Agent provides a more automated approach to collecting custom metrics. First, you install the CloudWatch Agent on your EC2 instances or on-premises servers. Next, you define which metrics to collect using a JSON configuration file where you specify exactly what data points you want to track. Once configured, the agent continuously collects and sends memory metrics, disk metrics, and custom application metrics to CloudWatch without requiring manual intervention. This method is ideal when you need consistent, ongoing collection of system-level metrics that aren't included in EC2's built-in offerings. Let's compare built-in and custom metrics across 4 key aspects. For collection, built-in metrics are automatic by AWS, while custom metrics require manual configuration. Regarding cost, built-in metrics are free and included with your AWS services, whereas custom metrics are charged per metric. In terms of scope, built-in metrics operate at the AWS resource level, while custom metrics work at the application and business level. Finally, for flexibility, built-in metrics offer only predefined options, but custom metrics are fully customizable to your specific needs. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right metric type for each monitoring scenario. To get the most value from CloudWatch metrics, follow these best practices. First, use meaningful namespace conventions to organize your custom metrics logically. Second, add relevant dimensions to enable better filtering and analysis of your metric data. Third, set appropriate collection intervals based on your monitoring needs, balancing between data granularity and cost. Fourth, monitor your custom metric usage to optimize expenses, as costs can add up with high cardinality metrics. Remember, the most effective monitoring strategy combines both built-in and custom metrics for comprehensive coverage. Built-in metrics handle infrastructure monitoring, while custom metrics provide application and business-specific insights.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.